Hi, this is INFINIX Hot 30i and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So let's first open the settings and then tap to Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, we should click here to this switcher. After the activating of the Wi-Fi option, click here to this settings, to this network, and enter the password. After that, just tap to connect, wait a second, and now we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. After that, or if you wanna just make it by another way, you could open the control panel and find here the Wi-Fi icon. Click to this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off by this way, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.